in the day, twice as much of the day has gone by?
Yes.
Yeah, 0800 hours versus 1600 hours, twice as much of the day has gone by. Division makes sense too.
Except for one thing. Let's say you have 8:30 and then 9.
Okay, so I keep, when you want to answer a question I ask, you should pick nice numbers. So when I did the 4 and the 2 woodpeckers, I picked nice numbers. Well, what if I did 5 and 2? What's 5 divided by 2?
2.5 times.
So there's 2.5 times more woodpeckers in the other tree. And decimals are fine for multiples, right? I just pick nice numbers to be nice to myself. You with me? So when you're trying to answer a question I give you, you come up with example data. Make it 10 and 20, something easy. So then you can divide them and see if the answer makes sense. Or you can think about 0 and see if the answer makes sense. I like it. So let's do this. I've been talking for way too long. This is perfect. Okay, let me see. Yeah, this is perfect. All right, so we can do, you guys can do all the problems in the front. The back we haven't talked about yet. But I want to shut up for a little bit. And you want to shut up for a little bit too, probably.
Yeah.
Yes, I understand. I appreciate your honesty. So you guys can work together on this if you want to. Just the front of this page. These are the kind of questions that I'd ask you on a quiz or a test. What's up? Oh, okay. Measure the what? Oh, like weight. So any measurement like weight, height, where 0 is the absence of the thing, that's because you can have a
Good question.
Yeah.